The First Years 4-in-1 Warming Comfort Tub by The First Years is one of the best sellers among baby bathing tubs and seats products. 4-in-1 infant to toddler bathtub, designed to grow with your baby to keep them feeling comfortable and secure through 4 stages. Newborn bathtub, insert cradles first-time bathers at a gentle incline and can be used in kitchen sink on its own or inside toddler tub. Infant bathtub, a medium incline nestles older infants and features a gentle water cascade to help keep them comfortably warm. Growing baby bathtub, remove the insert and one side of the tub supports a wiggly growing baby with an upright incline. Toddler bathtub, the other side of the tub provides the perfect perch for busy bathers who are ready to sit up and have some fun splashing. The 4-in-1 Warming Comfort Tub's design helps you keep your growing baby comfortable during bath time. From infant through to toddler, this modular tub creates a secure and comfy environment for them as they get clean. The cleverly designed infant insert features a special water catch tray that allows for a steady stream of soothing water down your baby's neck and back. It also cradles newborns at a gentle incline and easily switches to a medium incline for older infants. As your baby grows, remove the insert and the tub's more upright incline easily supports an extra wiggly baby during bath time. The tub later provides the perfect perch for a toddler having bath time fun. The tub is designed to fit most single and double sinks, and can also be used in an adult bathtub.